Here's another machine graciously donated by Alan O. The Red Robot, as I call it, or the LG compressor with its uber aggressive brush roll. Really, really aggressive. Very harsh on carpets. So let's see how this machine does with the triple threat. Flour on top, off to the side, and underneath. All right, that'll be good enough. And I'm sure this one is going to be plenty loud, so I think you're probably going to want to turn your headphones down, I would imagine. We are set on medium. And away we go. Okay, on top of the pile. Yep, it's great. They all do really well. Off to the side of the pile. Well, that's not too bad. Got most, but not all. And under the pile, well, it's squished a lot. So you can see it seemed to leave a little bit more than the Mila Jazz. Maybe that's because we put a little more down on there, but it's kind of similar. But you see all those little white spots everywhere? Of course, that's a big white spot. So it did kind of smash some into the concrete, and I'm not seeing clogged pores per se. So it probably got a little bit. Yeah, it didn't move anything. It probably got a little bit because it was able to keep the pores open. So high agitation definitely helps this pore-oriented test. Keep that airflow moving, whatever it happens to have. All right. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.